Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do a Myntra haul video. So during this EORS sale, I bought a lot of stuff from Myntra, the handbags, sling bags, and of course sandals. But still some of my things aren't delivered yet. But okay, fine, no problem. So the first thing that I have is this sling bag. Yes, you can see. Oh my god, see the color, it's very nice, and the bag is also very sturdy. So I bought this from the brand called Raspberry. So I love this bag. So it comes like this. Now I'll open it and show it to you how much spacious this bag is. So it comes with this zip closer, and you can see the inner side. Oh my god, it's very spacious, and it has one pocket here. This, yes, just see it. Oh my god. And then here also one pocket, a big one. So it is a very spacious bag, and the detailing, just see, it's very nice. I really love it, and the finishing is also very nice. Everything here, see, and this thing is also so stylish. But yeah, you cannot detach this sling. Okay, so this is how it comes. And the belt, I'll just show you this. Oh my god. Okay, so the original price of this is 2299. Oh my god, but I got it in such a big deal. I got this around like 900 rupees, I think. Yeah, so this is my first sling bag from the brand Raspberry. Okay, the second one also is from the same brand called Raspberry. So I bought it from the same brand, and its original price is 2199. I got it in a very reasonable price, guys. I got it in, just guess, I'll tell you. So this is how it comes. Oh my god, see the space. Wow, see, you can keep everything here, your makeup products, your phone, everything. Just see it. Yeah, so here we have one more compartment. Nice one, big one. Okay, I love it. Again, two chota pockets here. Okay, so the front side, it comes with this animal print, which I loved, so I ordered this because of this thing. Yes, and the chain detailing is also same, this zip closure. I usually prefer bag with zip closure. I don't like without zip. Okay, so this is my second product, and I bought it around, for the price, I think 800 or 850. Yeah, such a big deal, guys. Yeah, tote bag. I hope you can see, guys. This is how it comes. I bought this tote bag, such a huge one. I cannot show also. Oh my god, just see it. I bought it from the brand called, what is it, where is it, DP. Okay, Dorothy Perkins, and its original price is 2990. Okay, I got it in a very reasonable price again, like around 800 or 900, I don't remember exactly. So it comes with this front zip with such, oh my god, huge space here. This is the front zip, and zip is also very nice. So let me show you the inner space. Shit man, I didn't throw all this thing. Oops. Just throw it. Oh my god, look at the space. Wow, it's a huge one. You can keep everything here, your laptop, your wallet, of course, your purse, yeah, your makeup pouch, water bottle, also umbrella. Since it's a summer, I don't know when will I get to take this out, since it is lockdown here. So we have one more pocket here. It's a nice bag. I like it. I can carry it in my office. Yeah. So it comes with two more small pockets here. I hope you can see it. Yeah. So this is how the bag is. It's a cute one. I like it. The handle is also okay, fine, not bad. I like it. Okay, so this is my tote bag from Dorothy Perkins. This is my first purchase from Dorothy Perkins. Yeah, I have never purchased anything from that brand. This bag from the brand called, what is it, Corsica. Oh my god, I just love it. It's too compact, so nice. Its original price is 1399. Yeah, I hope you can see, guys. So this is it. Let me show you. Wow, so spacious. See, here is one zipper. Again, here is one. What is this? I don't know, something. Okay, again there are some card holders. Yeah. Cook and Kitch. One more pocket. This is the Myntra's in-house brand, guys. It's a very nice product. Very good. It looks very nice. This is in the size 39, and I just love it. Just love it. Just look at it. Yeah, the color is perfect. So I don't remember the price of this, and it is very comfortable. It looks very sturdy, also very stylish. Okay. Yeah. So a big thumbs up for this. I love it. This. So I shopped a lot from this brand, Dressberry. Yes, this is from the brand Dressberry. It's also good, but the size, I mean, like previous one which I showed, Cook and Kitch product one, that is far more, much better than this one, I think. Yeah, and but it looks very nice. Yay. The finishing is not that good here. You can see all the gums, and I don't know what is it. It's not that good compared to the previous one. Okay, so this is it. Okay guys, so this much is for today's video. So if you like my video, kindly subscribe to my channel,